We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words in English. So how do you go about pronouncing it? And do you pronounce the T there? Well, if it is spelled with double L, in English this is normally pronounced as fillet, with the T pronounced indeed. If there is only one L, then it refers to the French word or the word of French origin as filay. Fillet is when you take a fillet off an animal to fillet. However, the word fillet refers to a cut, a special cut of meat or fish, fillet or fillet. But in this case, with double L, this is going to be pronounced as fillet. I hope this makes sense. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.